I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of Anil Khanna's Academy of Law, Chandigarh. First, let me introduce myself. I am Anil Khanna. I was in the Indian Police Service. I belong to the 1981 batch, took voluntary retirement, and started teaching law about 10 years back. God has been very kind to me. I've been instrumental in the success of about 400 students who became judges, both in lower judiciary as well as ADJs. I'm very proud to say that my students who have become judges are spread to Bihar, UP, Himachal, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan. The list is growing year by year. What is the reason for our success? Since I come from a competition, I have appeared for a competition. Hence, I knew exactly what goes in a competition. And the only mantra of success is that we study every word of every section of every law. There is no shortcut to success. Each section is taught in my academy with its requisite interpretations as given by the Honorable Supreme Court and Honorable High Courts. As a result, my student starts thinking like a judge. He starts interpreting law. And probably this is one of the comments I get from my students when they leave my academy. They thank me with only one line, "Sir, you taught us how to read law." I'm really proud of my students who have done me proud. There are more than 5,000 of my students who are doing exceptionally well in their careers, either as judicial officers, ADAs, law officers, and wonderful advocates. Come join this bandwagon of success because our name has become synonymous with success. Thank you. God bless you.